you would take and say,
live
if I
today.
follow these hoses coming from my gearbox through the frame to my engine,
One of our best
I
instructors
have
there.
my what? Power steering pump. And my power steering pump is not bent, cracked, or broken, and it's properly mounted and secured, and it's not leaking. What is it properly mounted and secured to? My engine. No missing parts. Most important. Okay? Next, from here, you would go to the power steering.
Going through all the parts of the engine. Our main task today is air brakes. Stay tuned.
It is being driven. Power steering reservoir is properly mounted and secured. What is it properly mounted and secured to?
The best pre-trip class, hands-on experience.
Right? And it's not bent, cracked, or broken. As you can see, it's properly mounted secure and it's at its proper level. No missing bolts. The cap is on tight. It's not missing, loose, or broken and leaking.
The socket is proper tight. There is no brand broken or damaged. It is proper tight to the
Firewall.
The firewall. Now I'm looking the all colorful airlines.
Good.
There is no abrasions, bulges or cut. It is proper mounted to the air valve. Air valve. There is no audible leaks. It is air valve to mounted to the. While it should be mounted to the engine. There is no.
The air valve, same thing. Connect properly mounted
to
the firewall.
Firewall.
Yep.
Okay.
And the hose is coming out, no abrasion, bulges, or
Yeah,
cuts.
Okay.
See?
I told you with this one.
And no audible leaks, right?
There is no audible leaks.
Yes.
So,
That's how you finish it. No audible leaks, and then you go to the next one. All the hoses coming from the engine.
All the hoses coming from engine. There is no abrasions, bulges, or cut. No audible leaks. Or which one carrying the oil? There is no visible leaks. And which one carrying the air? There is no audible leaks. So all hoses is not abrasions, bulges, or cut. All clamp is proper tight. There is no rusted crack or missing. Now I am doing the all engine. Engine is not the top and bottom. There is no brand broken or damaged. Under the knee there
Very
is
good.
no leaks.
Yes, very good.
Under the knee there is no leaks. You know it.
You want to make sure this order is very important for a
I was gonna freeze,
So
sorry.
you gotta follow this order.
After passes 60 meters
Thank
out
you.
of buzzer stops. Still have them built up.
Yeah, because it was at zero. We remember on a cold day as well. When you finish working, you turn off the truck, you go to the air tanks, and you have to twist both.
Release the air.
Yeah, both
that-
knobs to release
uh-huh.
all the air. Once it stops hissing, which is sometimes 5-10 minutes. And then from there, pop out the red, push in the yellow, you know, and then I test You know, the trailer brakes second. So I like going in order, but there's no specific order. Some people like to test the trailer first. It's all up to you.
The thing is, when you test all the tests, you gotta be in fully shot. Without air, you cannot be doing that. You know,
So they don't pump out too much air.
Yeah.
Don't pump the brakes too much, because a lot of people like to.
Entonces, siguiendo la manguera, si yo sigo esa manguera, me voy atrás del motor. Tengo el power steering pump behind the engine. En los camiones que nosotros usamos son gear driven. Y como usan tornillos, not been broken or cracked, no missing any bolt, no visible leak. Entonces sigo la manguera otra vez, le digo my gearbox. The gearbox is not been broken or cracked, it's gear driven, secure mounted to the frame, no missing any bolts and nuts. Y nos vamos aquí al steering shaft. The steering shaft is not been. There you go, my people. Remember always when you start truck empty, right? It's in gear number 2 or gear number 3 is good. But look, sometimes you go straight to number 2, right? It's doing the grain. So right here, number 1, and then number 3, if you're going to start with number 3, the grain is not doing nothing. That's right, it's easy like that, right? There you go, como siempre digo. Mira, uno de los trucos mejores, tú sabes que este camión vacío no se arranca en la primera, right? Ponemos primera, después ponemos tercera y ahí el camión va a entrar el cambio relajando, va a entrar bien. ¿Viste cómo entró? A mí no me sonó ni un chiste. Una revolución en 1500, a mí, en 100, que en el 11, y todo entra perfecto, right? Look, a mí no me suena ni un chiste. Eso es un tip. Siempre hay que chequear su velocidad y chequear la revolución para pasar los cambios. Más el camión internacional hay que ser perfecto en revolución, sabiendo la revolución para que pasar los cambios excelentemente. There you go. Buenos días, buenos días. Señores, yo me acuerdo cuando yo empecé a decir yo quiero sacar la licencia C10. Ya yo pudiera tener 9, 10 años con licencia, estando aquí. Pero siempre yo ponía los peros de que, coño, son mucho lío, mucho dinero, embuste. Ese dinero se recupera. Yo me hice chofer de camiones y ya, mira, andamos dando clases, enseñando a manejar y ayudando a la gente buena. No esperes más, tíranos, brega, vamos a meter mano, yo te pongo nítido.